Hi everybody, and welcome back to Copeland's Builders, where we take your dreams and turn them into reality. Now that the building is up, I'd like to take you and show you how we install the metal roof and the metal sides. Come take a look. Before installing our metal, we prefer to use this woven fiber house wrap. This house wrap comes in 10-foot rolls and we staple it down to the 2x4 purlins on the roof. We cut the house wrap short for ventilation at the ridge cap. On the first piece of roof metal, we mark it at 1 inch on both sides of the metal. Because we hang our metal 1 inch over our drip edge, we use 1.5 inch roofing screws to fasten the metal to the roof. He is marking his skirt board with a speed square so that we can cut it out for the man door. We're using 2x6s to frame in for a 36-inch man door. We're using 3-inch coated deck screws to install the door. Before we start our side metal, we are installing our base angle. Along with adding a cleaner look, it also prevents rodents from getting into your building. We're installing 3-foot sections of metal vented soffit. We're using metal fascia with an 1.5 inch bend. We bend our fascia to make our bird box. The bird box gives the garage a cleaner look and also provides protection from birds getting into the soffit. We installed the garage door trim before the side metal. We are applying house wrap on the sides to help with moisture barrier. It's time to install the metal on the walls. Although most of our metal comes pre-cut, we still need to cut around our man doors and our windows. This crew prefers to use a string line, which helps keep all the screws straight. That completes the shell of the building. Now all we have is the garage door, the gutters, and the concrete. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Next time, we are going to show you how we do the concrete process. If you're interested in seeing that, please hit the like and subscribe button and you'll get notified of our next video.